business owner opens Google and searches the thing everyone is whispering about.
Will AI search replace SEO?
Then they open another tab.
How do I show up in AI answers?
Then another.
What is AEO?
Then another.
What is GEO?
And by the fifth tab, the simple question has become a fog machine.
New acronyms.
Big promises.
A few scary posts.
And a business owner wondering if everything they learned about search just expired overnight.
That's the moment we're talking about today.
I'm Kristina. This is the Lumin Signal, the daily marketing podcast from Lumin Marketing Group.
And I'm Evan.
Today, we're answering a question people are actively searching right now. Will AI search replace SEO?
Short answer, no.
Better answer, the foundations still matter, but vague content is becoming more expensive.
The line for today is this.
AI search doesn't remove the need to be clear. It raises the cost of being vague.
Google's own guidance is useful here because it cuts through a lot of the noise.
Google says its generative AI features in search are rooted in core search ranking and quality systems.
That means the basic work is not suddenly irrelevant.
Your pages still need to be crawlable.
They still need to be indexable.
They still need to be eligible to show a snippet.
And they still need to help a real person.
So if someone is selling AEO as if it replaces SEO, pause.
There may be useful tactics inside the advice.
But the foundation is still search.
The difference is buyer behavior.
People are asking longer, more specific questions.
They're not always typing two-word searches.
They're asking for comparisons.
They're asking for steps.
They're asking whether something is worth paying for.
They're asking what happens next.
That matters for Lumin clients because most small business websites are still built around broad claims.
Professional service.
Custom solutions.
Trusted team.
Results-driven strategy.
Those phrases may sound fine in a meeting.
But they don't answer the buyer's actual question.
A buyer is more likely to ask something like, why is my business not showing up on Google Maps?
Or should I hire a marketing agency or a freelancer?
Or how much should a small business spend on marketing?
Or what should happen after I book a call?
AI search makes those questions feel normal.
So your website has to become less like a brochure and more like a set of useful answers.
Not endless content.
Useful content.
The first check is simple.
Pick one buyer question.
Then ask, do we have one page that answers this clearly?
Not kind of.
Not somewhere in a paragraph.
Clearly.
If the answer is no, don't start with schema.
Start with the answer.
A clear page should name the question.
Answer it in plain language.
Explain when the answer changes.
Show proof or examples where appropriate.
And give the next step.
That's not fancy.
But it's exactly the kind of foundation many businesses skip while chasing acronyms.
The second check is technical.
Can Google access the page?
Is it linked from somewhere sensible?
Does the page title match the topic?
Does the page have enough visible text to understand the offer?
Are the business details consistent with your Google business profile?
If the answer is no, AI search is not the first problem.
Findability is.
The third check is specificity.
Would a buyer learn something real from your page?
Or could the page belong to any competitor in the city?
This is where Lumin gets very practical.
If a page says, we create content strategies that drive growth, that's vague.
If it says, we turn your sales questions, reviews, service pages, and search terms into a monthly content plan your team can actually publish, that's clearer.
The second version gives search systems more meaning.
And it gives humans more confidence.
The fourth check is proof.
Not a wall of testimonials.
Proof that supports the answer.
If the question's about local visibility, show the pieces you audit.
Business profile.
Website service pages.
Reviews.
Photos.
Local content.
Tracking.
If the question is about pricing, show what affects the cost.
Scope.
Channels.
Creative volume.
Production needs.
Reporting.
AI search doesn't make proof less important.
It makes generic proof easier to ignore.
So what should a small business not do?
Do not panic by a new acronym.
Do not publish 100 thin answers.
Do not let I write pages full of promises your business can't support.
And don't assume your existing site is fine because it has a services page.
The question is not, do we have a page?
The question is, does this page answer the way buyers now ask?
Let's make this more concrete.
Say a local service business wants to be found for website help.
The old page might say, we build beautiful websites that grow your business.
Fine sentence.
Pleasant sentence.
But it doesn't answer much.
The buyer still has to wonder, what kind of websites?
For what kind of business?
How much strategy is included?
Do you write the copy?
Do you help with search?
Do you help with photos?
What happens after launch?
A stronger page would answer those questions directly.
It might say, Lumin builds clear, search-aware websites for service businesses that need their offer, proof, local visibility, and next step to make sense before a buyer ever books a call.
That's still a marketing sentence.
But it carries more meaning.
It tells a person what the work is.
It gives search systems more context.
And it starts to match the way someone would ask AI for help.
Find me a marketing team that can help a service business explain what it does, improve the website, and turn customer questions into content.
That's the shift.
Not keyword stuffing.
Not writing for robots.
Writing useful, specific answers that can survive being summarized.
There are 3 page types that matter more in this new search environment.
First, answer pages.
These are pages that take one real buyer question and answer it clearly.
Not a tiny FAQ accordion hiding at the bottom.
A real answer.
For example, what should a small business put on a homepage?
Or, why is my Google business profile not getting leads?
Or, should I hire an agency or a freelancer?
Second, comparison pages.
Buyers are asking AI tools to help them compare options.
If your site never explains trade-offs, you leave that comparison to someone else.
Third, evidence pages.
Not just portfolio screenshots.
Evidence that explains the problem, the decision, the work, and what changed in the business context.
Again, no fake promises.
No miracle claims.
Just specific context.
Specificity is the antidote to vague AI slop.
And yes, that means your content library may need pruning.
This part matters.
A lot of businesses hear AI search and think, we need more articles.
Maybe.
But maybe you need fewer, better answers.
If you have 12 posts that all say a version of why marketing matters, that's not a strategy.
That's noise wearing 12 outfits.
A better move is to consolidate.
Choose the strongest page.
Update it.
Add the direct answer.
Add the trade-offs.
Add a real example.
Add the next step.
Then link to it from the places where a buyer would naturally go.
Homepage.
Service page.
Proposal.
Email follow-up.
Social post.
The page becomes an asset instead of a lonely blog post.
There's also a brand reputation layer here.
Answers are not only reading your website in isolation.
They're shaped by what the public web can understand about you.
So your reviews, profiles, listings, case studies, social content, and website need to stop contradicting each other.
If one profile says you're a social media company, another says website design, another says business consulting, and the website says full service creative, you may know how those connect.
A stranger may not.
A search system may not.
Clarity is not only copywriting.
It's alignment.
The buyer should encounter the same core story everywhere.
Not identical words.
Same meaning. Here's the Lumin lens.
AI search is not a separate marketing universe.
It's pressure on the same weak points that were already costing businesses trust.
Unclear offers.
Thin service pages.
No proof where the doubt happens.
Vague pricing.
Missing next steps.
Inconsistent local signals.
AI did not create those problems.
It made them easier to notice.
So the work is not to chase every new acronym.
The work is to build a public presence that can answer better questions.
Tool of the day, an AI Search Readiness Check.
Open a Google Doc, Notion note, or spreadsheet.
Make 7 columns.
Buyer question.
Best page.
Direct answer.
Proof.
Next step.
Technical status.
Owner.
Then add 5 real questions buyers might search before contacting you.
If you can't find the best page for a question, that's not a failure.
It's a content brief.
AI can help draft answer options.
But a human has to verify the truth, the nuance, and the promise.
Today's small action.
Search one question a buyer would ask before choosing you.
Open the page on your website that should answer it.
If the answer is buried, thin, or missing, write the plain language answer first.
If you want help turning messy marketing questions into a clearer website, stronger content, and a more useful buyer path, Lumin Marketing Group can help.
Tomorrow, why your business may not be showing up on Google Maps and what to fix before blaming the algorithm.
Thank you for listening to the Lumin Signal.
Produced by Lumin Marketing Group.
We will see you tomorrow.